Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open veo3ai.io. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now click on the sign in button in the top right corner. You can sign in to VEO3AI with your personal Google account or email address. It's completely up to you. But for this video, I'll go with email address and select sign up. Enter your name, it's optional. For the email, I'll use a temporary email address. So open temp mail, copy the email address and paste it into VEO3AI. Enter a strong password here. Then finally click on the create account button. A verification email will be sent to your inbox. So go back to your temp mail inbox and wait for the email to be arrived. Once you receive the email, open it and click on the verification link. A new window will open where you need to click on continue with email again and re-enter the same credentials like including the email address and password you just selected. Then click on sign in button. After successful sign up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here you can create free image to video, text to video, reference to video, text to image, and image to image content, but I'll go with text to video. Here you need to enter a prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own video concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into VEO3AI. Underneath, you can select the video models such as Seedance, VEO, Gemini, or Kling, but I'll go with Seedance 1.5 Pro. You can select the aspect ratio, video duration, quality of the video, and whether you need audio or not. And finally, hit the Generate Video button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can sign in on VEO3AI with your personal Google account or personal email address. It's completely up to you. However, this free tool, VEO3AI, only gives you 6 free credits as a sign up bonus. And you can create only one free video of up to 4 to 6 seconds using those credits. If you want to create longer video content, I suggest using a temporary email. If you use your personal Google account or email address, you'll need multiple Google accounts to continue creating longer videos. So use a temporary email because once your credits run out, you can simply sign in again with a different temporary email address and get more free credits. This way, you can create as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. A free AI video with VEO3 AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments below if this free tool helped you generate your video content or not. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.